Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, new and attractive crochet cotton designs, beautiful ideas, new and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet cotton designs. Most beautiful, most lightly trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge with beautiful and trendy crochet cotton designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful and attractive crochet cotton designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet cotton designs if you know crochet work. You can make these very beautiful crochet cotton designs with matchings, with bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, sofa covers and many more ideas. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet cotton designs? Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas, famous designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.